Prior to the Bob's Market we know in Mason, West Virginia, the Barnitz family grew produce in the fertile land of Leetart Falls, Ohio. It was there, as a child, that Bob first began to gain the knowledge and experience that would later grow into what we know today as Bob's Market and Greenhouses Incorporated. Robert Barnitz and his wife, Karina, founded Bob's Market and Greenhouses, Inc. in 1970. The business started as a roadside market selling fresh produce. Bob built 2 small greenhouses in his backyard to grow vegetable plants for the roadside produce stand. He saw an opportunity and also began producing flowering bedding plants to increase the product mix at the roadside market. The 1980s saw growth for Bob's Market as they began shipping to companies along the East Coast in their own fleet of trucks. The production of wholesale plants started to not only grow profits, but the need for increasingly larger structures. The 1990s brought a new opportunity for growth as Bob's Market was approached by Ball Seed Company to become a plug seedling supplier for their company. In 1998, Bob's Market produced 7 million plugs for Ball Seed. Just 1 year later, that number had grown to 28 million, and today they produce hundreds of millions of plugs each year. Also in the 1990s, Bob and his 5 sons looked at expanding their retail presence in the surrounding local areas. Retail stores were opened in Gallipolis and Belpre, Ohio, and Parkersburg, West Virginia. These new stores complemented the original store in Mason, West Virginia. A new century also brought new opportunities for the business. In 2005, Bob's opened a market in Atlanta, Georgia. In addition to the yearly increasing plug production for Ball Seed, a new product line was added when Bob's Market became a rooting station for Dummen NA, a German-based plant breeder. In 2012, Bob's continued to grow when they bought Penn Avenue Sales, a wholesale plant distributor in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. The new Bob's Market location in Pittsburgh has continued to grow since. Congratulations to Bob Barnitz on building a successful business that has continued to grow over the decades. It's clear to see why we chose Bob's Market and Greenhouses for this year's Lifetime Business Achievement Award.
Well, my name is Robert Barnitz, B-A-R-N-I-T-Z, and I'm the president of Bob's Market and Greenhouses.
My name is Scott Barnitz. I am the third of 5 sons.
I'm Bobby Barnitz, the oldest of 5 sons of Bob and Karina Barnitz, Bob's Market and Greenhouses. Started out as a roadside market. We have grown the greenhouse side of our business to where we're one of the 10 largest volume-wise in the country young plant producers, meaning we produce starter seedlings for other greenhouses. And we're one of the top 100 largest greenhouse operations in size in the U.S.
Along with me and the 5 sons, they're equal owners of Bob's Market and Greenhouses. And that's one of the most proudest things.
To be in a family business is truly a blessing. It's very rare nowadays to see businesses, family businesses that are functioning, and I feel like God has blessed our business and we are flourishing, and a lot of that is because we're family and we know each other and we're working together and we get to see each other every day. That's pretty special.
Quality of your product is number 1, service is number 2, and above both of them is business honesty, is telling your customer what you're going to do and do what you say.
We depend greatly on the community and we want to invest in the community. We're strong supporters of local schools, organizations, clubs, and we want to be involved. All of our employees have kids who are involved in functions, and so I think it's huge. You know, the old saying, it takes a village to raise a child. We want to be part of that, and we've always strived to be very strong corporate neighbors.
Work hard, love your children, love your wife, and enjoy your family. My wife and I, she passed away in April, but we have 15 grandchildren, and just 3 days ago, great-grandchild number 21 was born. And so I'm very proud of that, and it's a wonderful family. And there's nothing more important than family.
I would also like to thank the Meigs County Chamber of Commerce for this Lifetime Achievement Award. It means a lot to the Barnitz family.
It's very humbling to have this award given to us. We have Meigs County to thank for the support of our business over the 51 years.
I couldn't have done it in all that time without my loving wife and my 5 sons and several thousand employees down through the years.